So, good day everyone, my name is Kian Kategista and here's my report for today, the sampling distribution in a point estimation of parameter in an Bayes estimator. So, the definition of it is the probability distribution of statistic, or in short, the mean and also the proportion and computed from random sample of the population. An Bayes estimator is statistical estimator who expected the value equals of the population parameter. It estimates the mathematically and the data and also the structure of our own research. And the key properties of it is the mean sampling distribution in an equal of population parameter. For Bayes estimators, so standard error is SE, that measures variability of the statistic, and SE decrease as example size increase. So in the real world, we apply the Bayes statistics in the real world. So the one leading of it is the survey research that estimates the average height of an adult in the city. The second is the medical research, the study in the relationship between the height and the health outcomes. Number 3, the finance that analyze insurance claims in related to height and related to health issues. The 4, in the engineering, design the public space and consider the average adult height. And the social science that examines the socio-economic factors influencing the height. And the next slide of it is the point estimation. The definition of the point estimation is a single value estimate for a population of the parameter. The example of it is the sample mean as estimated of the population mean. So, the example being given is the sample mean estimates the population mean, sample proportion that estimates the population proportion. When we see the picture of our slides, so proceed for our topic 3. The definition of estimator whose expect the value equals on a true parameter value. So the sample mean is Bayes in estimator population mean, and also in the sample variance in Bayes estimator of the population variance. That base for our own slides. So we can see. So the takeaways of our own research is the Bayes estimator ensures the accurate population parameter estimation, and the 2 is the efficient and consistency are essential in properties. Number 3 is sampling distribution in the point estimation really on Bayes estimators. And the number 4, the real world application benefit from Bayes estimator. The conclusion of it is by utilizing around Bayes estimator, researchers and practitioners can confidently draw in conclusions, make informed decisions, and drive meaningful progress in various fields. That's all everyone, and thank you for listening. Next reporter.